would have been better when you were at 45 degrees to the road.
That's mud over there. That's the problem. It's not road, I don't think.
Like this?
Huh?
Turn that radio down, please.
Yep.
All right. What's our plan?
I kind of want to try to get to the top of the hill. Okay, we're going to switch tracks.
I would like to get out of this ditch.
I ended up unbuckling.
Oh, so good. Yeah, you got it.
Good job. Holy fuck.
This is going to be a shit show in an hour.
Yeah. I don't want to be here in an hour. There's pavement.